Hi guys, ito na ngayon yung Pridcon T-Max S Pro natin. Buksan na natin kung anong laman ng box nya. Ito na guys,
sana
ayan na. What's inside the box? Ito yung Pridcon T-Max S Pro, and then kanyang instruction manual. Ito, may previous na stickers. May previous na stickers. And then what's this guys? Battery tips from Pridcon. Basic guidelines to prolong your Pridcon battery life. And then ano tong isa? Warranty receipt natin guys. Yan. 1 year warranty siya guys. Ayan, from Pridcon Philippines mismo. O, di ba? May warranty pa tayo, guys. Then ito, guys. Ito ata yung dinidikit sa helmet. Ayokong buksan. Hindi pa ako nagpapaalam sa may-ari. Then andito yung mic niya, guys. Mic din ata to. At saka yung sa may earpiece niya siguro, guys. Ayan. Pridcon T-Max S Pro with previous stickers, instruction manual, and warranty receipt. 1 year warranty guys. Ayan na siya guys.
Sana all.
Diba guys, napakaangas. Sayang, hindi ko kasi kailangan eh. Wants versus needs muna tayo guys. Ayan o, do not overcharge, do not use while charging, do not use fast charger. Ayan, ito yung nasa gilid nya guys. Bluetooth 300 meter, 2 riders intercom up to 300 meter, 6 rider max up to 1200 meter, advanced noise reduction, music sharing, water resistance. Yun lang guys. Diba? Napakaangas. Ito yung Pridcon na nilalagay sa gilid ng helmet. Ganda. Yan o. Diba guys? Yan. Hindi pala siya type C guys. Ito yung sa headset nya. Ito yung sa charger. Yun lang guys. Thanks for watching.